Hey guys, how we doing? Raptor build here. We're going to get into the A-pillars, so we're going to go over some stuff with you here shortly, but welcome aboard and here we go. All right guys, so we're getting close to the tail end of our Raptor build here. In this video we're going to get into the A-pillars. These are a little bit trickier than standard pillars. They do have airbags up here, so what we do, our process is a little bit different in these. Not to hinder the safety system in this vehicle, what we do is we actually break the pillar away. So these pillars actually have a handle integrated into them and stuff that I'll show you guys. And actually I got them in the wood shop, let's go check them out. But what we do with these, not to again hinder that airbag, is we actually split the pillar. So that way the top section bolts in like normal. I'm gonna show you here what we're doing. Awesome. So this is our factory pillar. Let's see if I can get it in there. So that's our factory tweeter location down low at the bottom. What we do with these is we actually mask these off. We draw a line where we want it based on the factory lines, just for cosmetic purposes. And then what we end up doing is, this one I've already got cut. So this is what we end up with. So we go through, we split this in half, and we'll end up actually just building the bottom half of this pillar. Top section will bolt in just like normal. That way everything stays intact up there. And then worst case scenario, this, you know, the breakaway aspects of the airbag system still works. So we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna get this one cut, and then we're gonna build some jigs. We're actually doing our 3 tweet up there from the Flax kit. We're gonna do some grills on them just to hide them, probably some fidelity mesh and stuff. But we're gonna get this other one separated, and then we'll go ahead and catch up with you in a little bit.
house and your house is mine. My house is your house and your house is mine. My house is your house and your house is mine.
All right, guys. So what we wanted to do is take a moment to show you where we were. I know we've done quite a bit of time lapse here, so we're taking a second. We got the baffles cut for our A-pillars. So these are all done out of 3/8 acrylic. We countersunk the mid-range in here, so it sits nice and flush. This is just a Kevlar mid-range that we use for mock-up and stuff. And then we flushed the tweeter in as well, so those will sit down in there. Basically what we got is this ring is going to sit over this, and then we're going to do some mesh over the opening here. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually stick these together with some template tape, and we're going to take about 30 seconds out of the outside of this. Then we're going to tape it up with some basically some gapping tape, and then we're going to put these on the pillar. We got to cut the pillar open here. Like, again, this is our base shape of the pillar that we're working with. So let's see if I can get this set up here. See if I can kind of show you guys. So with our pillar, we'll get our base shape cut down in there, and then once the base shape is cut in there, we'll actually Bondo up to our ring. And with cutting that 3/32 out of this guy, we'll actually have a little bit of surface here for the Bondo to adhere to, and so that'll kind of mount this, and then we'll actually mount it with some adhesive as well. But that'll kind of bond it, get it all together, and then the ring will actually be removable. So we can do we're gonna do a small little probably 30-degree chamfer on the inside there, and rabbit it out on the backside for the fidelity mesh and such. But yeah, we're running along on these, so we just wanted to take a moment, stop, let you know where we were at and stuff, and we're gonna keep running. Hopefully, next part of this, we're gonna go ahead and get these all put together. So, and then we can do our little bit of body work and should be running. So pretty close to wrapping them. So. All right, you guys stay with us. We're gonna get back in. Right on, guys. So I wanted to show you where we were at here. We got, I didn't get much of this footage in the truck, but just to give you an idea. So I had showed you the baffles we cut for the pillars here, so for our 3-in tweet. So we actually got these mounted to our A-pillar that we cut. So you can see here, this is gonna be the seam where the two pieces come together, but we got these all mounted up and in the truck. A little tight, but they look good. You have to do some Bondo work on them and stuff, but should be pretty cool. We're gonna Bondo in our rings, do our mesh and stuff, but kind of show you. I got one out of the truck here. Let's see. Sage's Raptor panel here for the enclosure. Let's see. This is the driver's side one we got out. It's all mounted to the pillar. We cut a lot of the pillar out, but just to get it to fit. So I'm gonna get in here, do some Bondo work, make these all flush and pretty, and then we'll keep rolling for you guys. So I'll check back in a little bit.
house is mine. My house is your house and your house is mine. My house is your house and your house is mine. My house is your house and your house is mine.
All right, guys, we're still jamming on these A-pillars here. This is the grill for it that we put together. So a little pressed grill in there with the fidelity mesh, and painted it a black just to black it out. So we're gonna bring this to Sage. He made a request here. He's getting this one wrapped up.
What happened?
All right, so he's getting this one wrapped right now. He wanted the grill to go ahead and test fit it and stuff. Then we're gonna get it put in the truck. I'll show you, we did get the other one put in earlier today, so the driver's side's all wrapped up. Man, these things look really, really good. So let's see if we can get in here. So like I said, we got this side wired up. It's all ready to roll. So let's see what we got. So this is finished here. So seam came out really nice. Vinyl matches well. So, and that's got our Flax 3-in tweet back there. So again, it just kind of respects some of the lines of the factory pillar, which is kind of our style here. You know, again, these are tough A-pillars to do. They did take some time, but we got as much of the process as we can for you. But he's getting the other one rolling. We did do some mounts. So mounts for this one, we put some blocks of PVC. We did an M6 bolt that we tapped into the pillar there. So just to make sure they're solid. And then the handle part actually mounts with the 2 factory 10 mils. So yeah, I'm gonna check back with him. We just wanted to give you a quick update. I know we've been doing quite a bit of footage. Sage and I've been really grinding over here, so trying to get this thing wrapped up. So, let's see. Where you at? Doing a little suede insert. Cooking out the wood shop with the heat gun. So, all right, we're gonna let you guys roll. We're gonna get this one wrapped up, get some speakers dropped in it, get it installed, and hopefully call it a day today. So, we'll check back with you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, so this is it. We got our Raptor project all wrapped up. So we got the custom subwoofer enclosure under the back seat there. It's got our 4 6.5s in it, and man, you want to talk about jam, this thing gets down. Custom A-pillars. This was our final product on these. These things came out beautiful, man. We did the painted rings on them. Got some pressed grills, just the fidelity mesh to keep the speakers hidden. Let's see. You guys saw the amp rack, so that's how it came out in the truck. I mean, this thing, I'll tell you, we do a lot of projects, and the way this one came together was just awesome, man. Everything fit well, everything sounds great. I mean, so we got a transport here to pick this one up now. We just wanted to kind of wrap it up for you guys. So Sage and I did our thing on this one. This thing came out really, really nice. So another happy client. You guys stay tuned. Not too much longer. We'll have some more projects coming out for you, and don't ever forget, man, you guys hit that subscribe button. Liking a comment on the video always helps. You guys have any feedback for us or ask any questions, we're always available. So you guys want to know how we got to places and we didn't catch it in the videos, just drop us a line. We're super open and we're always happy to help. So we'll catch you guys on the next one.